Welcome to Activity 62, A Little Harder. In this activity, we will be developing the strategy of near double that's one less. For example, I know 6 add 6 equals 12. So one less than this, 6 add 5 would be equal to 11. To complete this activity, you need 2 of each block from 6 to 9, and you also need 1 5 block. If you have purchased original boards, please make sure that you place them in a write and wipe sleeve. Let's begin. First, I build my double, and I say 6 add 6 equals 12, and I have that written here. So one less than this, 6 add 5 would equal 11. There's another way we can write 6 add 5, and this shows what we did. We knew 6 add 6, and then we subtracted 1. So 6 add 6 subtract 1 also equals 11. In mathematics, we call this an expression, and we call this an expression. These two expressions are what we call equivalent. They are both equal to 11, but they are different ways to write it. So we write the double as addition, and then we're subtracting 1. Let's repeat this for double 7. I know 7 add 7 equals 14. 7 add 7 equals 14. So one less than this, 7 add 6 would equal 13. And an equivalent expression, I could also write that I knew 7 add 7, but then I subtracted 1, and this is equal to 13. Moving on to the next double. I know 8 add 8 equals 16. 8 add 8 equals 16. So one less than this, 8 add 7 would equal 15. 8 add 7 equals 15. I could also write 8 add 7 as saying I did 8 add 8, which was the double, and I subtracted 1, and this is also equal to 15. Moving on to our last double. I know 9 add 9 equals 18. 9 add 9 equals 18. So one less than this, 9 add 8 would equal 17. 9 add 8 equals 17. I could also write 9 add 8 as the double of 9 add 9, and then I subtracted 1, and this is also equal to 17. Now it's your turn.